Traceable Designer Scalloped Style Cornice Valance Kit includes a traceable, reusable no-sew valance design form used to make valance side and center panels. This no-sew home decorating kit also includes a traceable no-sew table decorating design form for making matching table accents. This kit includes a style guide and needed materials list. You have a quick start instruction guide and video information for online video tutorials, a no-sew custom valance design guide with style-specific information, Velcro for hanging your valance panels, an essentials pack, and fusible fabric backing for adding lining to your fabric sections. To begin, remove the gray shaded area from the bottom of your design form and follow the simple steps to prepare your fabric section. This versatile all-in-one valance making design form is used to make valance side panels, valance center panels to fit any window size, and also includes sizing lines for making a fusible second contrast fabric layer for dual fabric designs. Scallop style side panels are made to include a 3-inch wide no-sew rod pocket. Use the line fabric positioning marker to position the lining below the rod pocket section. Simply trace around all the design form edges to create the side panels. To create a small side panel, simply slide the design form over to the small sizing line. To create an extra wide custom side panel, simply mark the fabric, slide the design form over to trace around the edges, then slide the design form over to the folded fabric edge to complete the tracing. To create valance center panels, use the center panel top edge sizing marker. Valance center panels are fully lined fabric sections that are hung using the included Velcro. To make center panels, mark the fabric at the center panel top edge, then lower the design form to trace across the top, indicating the panel height cut line. Use any sizing line to make center panels, and for extra small center panels, use the small sizing line. Then simply slide the design form over to remove excess from the inside panel, preserving the lower curved edge. This scallop style design form includes a 6-inch section used to make a no-sew rod pocket. Easily adjust the upper section for smaller rods by simply measuring up from the lining top edge, marking a 4-inch section, and then making a 2-inch rod pocket for hanging smaller single panel valances. The layered Cornice style valances are created to use side panel rod pockets and Velcro on the center panels. Simply fold the center panel over the side panels and secure to the back of the rod and the back of the side panels. Make any number of center panels to fit your window size. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.